What should I say? We had a perfect trade yesterday, and the day before that, and the day before that. Welcome to this channel. What is up, guys? I'm so happy to see all of you back here again. We are coming with something fresh. You know what is crazy? This is the first time we've got 30 people watching live on YouTube from the get-go. This is absolutely mind-blowing for me. Thank you so much for the support. Truly appreciate it. Appreciate you guys being here, subscribing, and letting me know what you want me to look at and what coins we should look at. The Sui trade, as someone said yesterday, I'm going to talk about it in a second, is up tremendously. Some of you in the chat called me on it, so very nice. Somebody's saying B event, saying Luna Classic. We can look at it. My new favorite channel, One Eye Guy. You are my new favorite visitor. Thank you for being here. Chizo, nice seeing you back. Nice seeing you back. Lubomir. Hello. Morning, Kyle. J Armo, LFG, man. LFG. Hello, Sam. Nice seeing you here. Let the alpha begin. Let's go. Patrick, good afternoon. Mike, let's go. We've got a lot to talk about. I think I tweeted the. Should I take this off? Let's take this off. Let's take this a little bit more seriously, guys. Let's take it seriously. So I have been talking. By the way, very important. I always forget to put this up, so I'm gonna do it now. The content of this video is informational purposes and not financial advice. Right? So whatever we do is not financial advice here, guys. If you follow the trade and if you make money, let me know. If you lose, don't let me know. Just let me just delete the post to them. No, that's not me. You know that's not me. Let's go. So we had. I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin as well. We're gonna talk about trades. Let me know in the chat if you want any coins I should look at, and you know all that. But I want to show you one thing. I want to show you something why you should follow this channel. If you have been here yesterday, you know what I'm talking about. But check this. I'm gonna put this down. So this is what we did yesterday. We will bounce. I might take a position here. I think it's worth taking a position. I just think that New York will dump. If I take a position, I'll put it down here. Well, let's take that position. I'll take a position. It's sweet. So yesterday we took this position on Sui. One of you said that it was going to be a great position. Let's take that position. I'll take a position. And we took this position. Now this is how that position is looking now. That is how that position is looking. By the way, guys, if you don't know, this is bluffing. So we took this position. It's about 7-8% up. So if you took it at 10x as I did, you're up about 72%. So let me know if you took it. Good afternoon. People are joining. Thanks for the trade yesterday. You're very welcome. What an entry that is. Hey Garbo, what's up? I'm keeping you in mind, man. I'm so sorry. It's just insane. We're definitely gonna meet up. Hello John, nice to be here as well, but nice that you are here. Sam is saying Ondo, we can look at it. Nitro Bunny in the house, give it up. Dre, can you explain the 50% retracement? We are going to do that. Near and Viv pump me as okay, yeah, let's go. Oh, so many comments, guys. I gotta get someone who run this show with me. It's so nice that you guys are here. Yeah. No financial advice, but that's been good for my finances. Let's go. All right. Here's the thing, guys. We've got to take a little bit of breather because I think we're going to see a dump. I'm going to take it a little bit serious. But first of all, thank you so much. We are at 2,450 subscribers. We're growing fucking crazy. If you've been here from the beginning, I salute you. In the last 28 days, we had absolutely insane growth. We went from sub 1,000 to over 2,000. Absolutely awesome. If you can help, share, like, you know, that helps me a lot as well, and eventually helps you. I'm planning a lot of stuff coming to this channel. I'm moving into a bigger studio as well soon. So it's gonna be a lot more stuff coming. Okay, let's go. So let's talk about this. So if you follow my content or this channel, whatever, we've been long here. 63,000. We've been long down here. It's a nice 12-13% pump from here. I'll be honest with you, as always, you know, in this channel, I am being transparent with you guys. And what happened is that here, I wanted to take a short position on Bitcoin, and I used Bluefin. As you know, I love Bluefin. This is literally the best place. There's a link in the description. Check it out. Not only because of the link, but fucking write in bluefin.com. But try this platform, guys. It's fucking incredible. But what I wanted to say here is that I wanted to take a short position, and my hedge mode was not activated, and it didn't notify me, and I closed my 50x Bitcoin long position that I held from here. So I was not happy about it. I actually pinged my brother at Bluefin, and I told him like it's not cool that they don't let me know. So this is why I love them. He literally got back to me in 1 second, said, I'm so sorry this happened. We are immediately working on it. They added the notification. It's all good. So anyway, so I closed my position. Unfortunately, I'm out of my Bitcoin 50x Bitcoin long, which is not happy, but that it is what it is. We've been discussing about the fact that we have a massive liquidity built up. We have to take liquidity. That's exactly what happened. This is why you see this massive candle. You know, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back, rewatch the show. This is what happened. I see a lot of people watching on Twitter. Guys, come to YouTube. Please come to YouTube. It takes you a click, but it helps the channel grow. Please. And also, guys, smash that like button. I see we have 70 people watching on YouTube. Absolutely mind-blowing. But please smash the like button as well. We've got 32 likes only. I know that we can make that happen. I know that we can push that to 70. Let's go. So that's good. What about Bitcoin? We will talk about it now. Let's talk about it now. So here's what I see. This is the 4-hour point of interest. So I explained the other day that I know we should clean up this chart. What is happening here? When you get into the VEDs, you like this is old story. RAID old story. Liquidity built up is valid. It should stay. We delete this from here because we don't need it. Then I have liquidity taken from here. That's good. So we're gonna delete this. We're gonna delete this POI because we had a small reaction, but we didn't really. There is an OB down here, not relevant. Decision point, not relevant. I'm gonna leave I'm actually gonna take the long away as well because we don't need that either. 1 hour point of I not relevant. 4 hour will be relevant in a bit later. So it's a much better looking chart now. So here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. As I explained, we had this point of interest up here, and if we do not react from this level, then we are going higher and testing this 4-hour POI, right? And that is exactly what we're doing now. That is exactly what we're doing now. If you look at the lower time frame, you see that we have tested up here this POI. We literally came into this. This is called the breaker block as well. We came into the beginning of this inefficiency. Look at this. We came up here, and from there we showed a very strong rejection. Why do I say it's a very strong rejection? The reason why I say it's a very strong rejection is because although it's not like this, but this here is a wick below the level that was responsible for the push. So if you look here, we have a close above. This is the market structure break. So we do have a close above the previous high in this leg, in this wave. And the level that created that was basically this. And the fact that we come wick below that level, it is called a market structure shift. Now, it can be considered a strong market structure shift. It can be considered because we do go up, take liquidity, close above, and immediately reverse and wick below. Technically, if I want to say it's a strong market structure shift, I would want to see a much heavier reaction. So if you look here, for example, this is also a market structure shift, but the reaction is much heavier. You see, it's a heavy reaction here. So this was the high here, we close above, bam, very heavy reaction. So we don't see that heavy reaction yet, so that's why I'm not confident yet that we are going down, but it is definitely showing. I've been thinking whether I should let you know or I should not let you know, but everything I say is not financial advice. I only play with money I can afford to lose, and I'm aware that trading works based on probabilities. So I actually took a short. You should never ever take a short position in the bull market, ever. You should not follow me. But it is a scalp. Why? Because if we dump, we're gonna dump fast and we're gonna dump big. Guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We do trading alpha. We do live trades together and whatnot. Subscribe and smash that like button, please. I see a lot of people join with 72 people live on YouTube. I think we didn't have that many people live ever, so it's awesome. So the reason why I took a short, which you should not do, is the following. I just want to, again, as every live, I want to give you education, and here's the education. First off, we do have, let me remove this alert here. We don't need them now. First off, we do have this market structure shift. This is already an enough indication for me. The fact that we didn't have this heavy, that's a little bit of a problem. We might have a blow off top. And this is my second point. If we get a blow off top, that means that blow off top here. I'm pretty confident we're not gonna get a blow off top now at 73,000. I thought we are, but we're not. So blow off top could be because we usually retrace to the beginning of the inefficiency up here, you see? So that would be 71,864. That's why I have my stop loss up here. Why? Because what can happen is because the dump was not vicious enough. It wasn't like nuking, right? It was just a little bit of wick. This could be also a smart money trap. So what you can see is that we come down here, probably to this level. And then we come retrace into this, take liquidity from here, probably close above, and then fucking nuke. This is kind of what I see right now. So that's my second. Third, massive liquidity built up. So we talk about liquidity a lot in this channel, but this is not good. This is not good. You could say, oh, it's a trend line and it's great, but it's not great. Like it's not good that it is a trend line. It's not good that it is a trend line. A trend line liquidity is always marked as liquidity, meaning a lot of people go short here, or long here, whether they put their stop loss below here. Then they go long here, whether they put their stop loss here, and then here, and then, you know, and then here, and then here, and then at one point it's all gonna get fucked. And we are pre-halving. We did not really have a major. We had this bleed down and then a very massive reclaim of these levels. And the fact that we reclaimed these levels so fast without any major dump before halving is concerning on the fundamental level. On another note, funding is reset. Open interest is not high. So I don't think it's like, but if you look at open interest, let's look at. Let's look at open. I don't look at open interest. I don't look at it, but we can look at it now. Yeah, so the 24-hour change of, look at this. Open interest almost 8% up. 8% more. Or anybody who doesn't understand what open interest is the interest in the market, open positions, the number of open positions. So on Bitcoin, there's 538,000 positions are open all around the place. 166 on CME, 114 on Binance, 74 on Bybit, Bitget, so on. Look at the Ethereum pair, same thing, 8% open interest up. Solana not that much. Doge 12, 13% open interest up. 10% on XRP. BNB is actually down. Wow, BNB open interest is down. Interesting. AVAX, Pepe. So you see, Pepe. Look at this. Pepe have 20% open interest, 20% more positions open since yesterday, since 24 hours. So people are definitely more bullish. I think it's time to nuke. We'll see. We call these bullbacks. So we don't call them pullbacks. We call them bullbacks. And the reason we call them bullbacks is because these are buying opportunities. Now, if I am right, I'm so sorry, my nose is just so itchy now. Lots of cocaine. No, I'm just joking. And I hope that YouTube will not ban this video because I made a joke about cocaine. Anyway, I've never done cocaine in my life, actually. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. If you pull this up here, if you pull the fib, where would we come and where would we get the bullback? That's the question. Where would we get the bullback? Technically, we could get the bullback to two places. We could get the bullback to around 69,000 or around 68,000. Here's the reason why I don't think it will stop there if we get a bullback. Because one, there is not enough liquidity up here. It's just not a lot of people went short. So there's not really a reason to start sending it from here. There's just no reason to start sending it from here. Other reason, again talking about liquidity, is there is a massive reason to start sending it down. So everybody's long. Long here, long here, long here, long here. A huge liquidity pool built up. And again, the daily, which I'm not going to talk about much, as always. I'm just mentioning it because maybe someone is just joining in, they haven't watched the content and whatever, so sorry guys if you are returning. But the 50%, we didn't get a 50% on a daily, which would put us to around, not here. We should put it, what? Is it? Really? Yeah. Yeah. Fudge. That's crazy. That would put us to 52,000, legends. 52,000. Yeah. 52,000. Even if we consider that we take this off, even if we consider that we're not going to go down and not fill that gap, it's still at 56. 56 or 52,000. So if we get a reversal, we are targeting 56, 52,000. I don't want to miss that dump. Why? Because I'm not selling spot. I'm not selling spot. So the reason also why I took a short, which is I know it's bull market and rules, and I know this is why I should not follow, this is why I should not do any of that, but this is what I'm looking at. So I think we are going to get a pullback now, and I think it's gonna be a vicious one. I think it's gonna be like this. It's not gonna be something like this. It's not gonna be like a slow bleedy whatever. It's gonna be it's gonna be boom. It's gonna nuke. It's gonna be like shh, boom. It's gonna be something like this. Or maybe we just rip. Again, I'm just telling you my opinion, telling you what I do. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're here, I'm gonna look at the comment now. Let me look at the comments. When you use Fib and how do you trade? Let's go. I use Fib, yes. So I use Fib, but I use Fib only for the 50% retrace. So 50% is, I simply have this Fibonacci tool, I pull it in, you double click, and then you can set up what levels you want to see. And I just simply set up my levels as the 0, 1, and 5, and then we have the 50% retrace. And someone asked me if I can explain the 50% retrace. Well, the basic idea is that markets always retrace 50%, always. So if you have a market like this, you can always measure the lag, whether a pullback is a pullback. How do you know if this is a pullback? Is this a pullback? Well, the only way to determine is if you pull the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top of this leg and see if there was a pullback. If there wasn't, you keep moving it up until there is a 50% retrace. And when the 50% retrace comes, you know the pullback is completed and goes on. 50% comes from market makers and institutions. Smart money buys in discount. That's below the 50%, and they sell in premium. Like if you want, you never want to sell. If you're a big guy, you never want to sell in discount. You never want to buy in premium. That's the same thing here. So that's what's up. They're saying, let's go, let's go, let's go. What shows are coming up this weekend on Banter? I'm going to do 2 shows this weekend on Banter. Number 1 is how do you get into crypto? So if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to have a show for you. And the second one is how do you become a degen? You're watching all these guys make it. I don't know if I can say the number, but yeah, I'm not going to say the number. But I know that some guys I know got into the meme coin yesterday that I missed. Obviously, one that I missed. And they made 10,000%. Like so much money, life-changing money. It's so much money. So yeah, so I will teach you how to get into that. Great trade. Morning. Thoughts on cash? We can look at it. Morning. Later in the show, I'm gonna do some. You can put the coins you want to look at, and then we can look at them. Is there a formula you have for this uptrend market using a 95% cross margin leverage trade using the 5% for actual trade? Is there a formula you have for this uptrending market using a 95% cross margin leverage trade using a 5% for the actual trade? I'm not sure what you mean, but if you use cross margin, that means that you use your entire account for a specific trade. That's what this means. So, yeah, that's what it means. Sam, you should not follow me. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I mean, find out financial advice. Guys, actually, you know what? I'll be honest with you. This for me is fun. This for me makes no money. It's just, I'm literally stressed. I'm not seeing my family enough. I have so much content to take care of. And then we're launching something probably with Banter as well, something pretty exciting. So it's just so much stuff, but I love to do this. This is like going for a bike ride, like a motorbike ride. It's kind of the same. I like to come here, just relax a little bit, take a breather. I'm not thinking about anything else. I'm just with you guys. I love it. That's why I'm doing it. So I'm also doing it for myself, right? So this is, if you follow, I appreciate it, but if not, absolutely fine as well. Around 1 year after halving is when you can short. Yeah, you're right. 100x club, 100x short. No. I'm actually 50x short. Let me look at it. I'm 30x short. Is this the right? I sold most of my near position and I'm 30x short on Bitcoin. I'm 30x short. I might get burned, guys. Again, I might get burned. I think it has to come down to at least 68,000. Music is a bit too loud. Sorry, Nitro Bunny. Sorry. I lowered it. Lol. Hello, everyone. Greetings. I'm in 100. Yeah. I hope you can hold it. Yeah, I love when people do this, you know? Shadow trace, nothing against you. 71,300, look at this. 71,300 means that you shorted here. If you caught the market here, I salute you. If you haven't, don't comment it. Send us a screenshot. There's a guy in the research group as well. Always, he always got the top, the very top, like the very, very absolute, very fucking top. And it's good. I mean, if you can do it, it's absolutely fine. Teach me, please. Yeah, I lowered the music. I hope it's good. Let me know if the music is good now, please. Morning, smash the like. Cool, dude. You are cool, dude. It is not going down, only up from here. Let's see. But from where to draw it? Like, yeah, so you draw it to the leg. So if you want to identify a leg, so for example here, I want to, so you have the waves like this, right? So you have, I'll actually show you on the chart. So you have it like this, for example, here. So I say, let me put this back here like this. And then I just pull up a fib and let's say that it happens. So I'm waiting for the 50% retrace here, right? Did it happen? No. So I'm just gonna wait. And then I'm still waiting. And pull the fib from the bottom of the leg to the top until there is a 50% retrace. And I'm still waiting. Was there a 50% retrace? No. Was there a new high created? Yeah. So then I'm just gonna pull my fib again. And I'm waiting for the 50% retrace. So that's how kind of you move up on the ladder and then you pull it to the very top until there is a 50% retrace. You dumb man as well. Got it. Strong above, weak under. Yes, 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 yes. Julieta in the house. Give it up for Julieta. Love to see you here, Julieta. DJ Brigade. Good morning from Portugal. We almost have 100 people live, guys. Almost have 100 people live on YouTube. It warms my heart. Hola, the charts in the zone. Okay. Show you the screenshot of this. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's why 71, 160, 165. Yes, that makes sense because that's not the top. So 75. So this is 165 exactly here. That's good. That's great. You're about 0.2% above me. That's great. That's a great. And here as well, like it goes down. I waited for the 50% retrace. 50% retrace happens. Premium back in premium, selling premium. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Do not short it. So here's the other thing I wanted to follow up on, the near trade. So I am still in the near trade. We longed it here. Let me just pull it here, all the way here. It's obviously a free trade now. I have the same issue with near. So if you look at this, you know, there was no 50% retrace. Here's the thing. I am holding this. I'm holding this. I said it's going to 15. And I think it is going to 15. I think it is going to 15. Yeah, we shall see. We shall see. But it is definitely going back to like 9-ish. I sold 75%. I was up very, very nicely. So I was up like, I don't even know. I was up probably like, I don't know, probably like $15,000 or $10,000. I don't remember exactly. But I sold 50 and then I sold 50 again. So I'm 75% already in or out. How do you say it? Out. So yeah, but I mean, I'm staying in this trade until we reach at least all the high here, which is like 8. And then if you look at like the daily, you don't have the history, but if you look at the daily, you would see that it's like it has way to go. Let me look at, yeah, it has way to go. So it can still rip. At least 10-15 is doable, but there will be retraces. So if you want to sell, I would recommend you sell some now and then go back. If you're in the sweet trade, same thing. This point of interest here was relevant for me. If you are in the sweet trade, you got to make sure that you are paying attention to these levels. Why? Because yeah. Why? Because this is a 50% retrace so far. So if we break below, now your level is 1.74. But if you see a break below 1.75 here, you already should be considering, you know, how you're gonna take it, how you're gonna close the position. Definitely put your stop loss below here, so you are in profit if you want to ride it. But I would realize some gains. I would definitely realize some gains. Ladies and gentlemen, we just passed 100 live views on YouTube. Let me look at it. Let me see. How do I? Is it also showing on YouTube? So you are in profit. 104 people watching. I'm so happy, guys. Come on. You know, it's the small things. When you, especially with banter, I see like, you know, going from when you get 20,000 on banter, you're like, not that good show. Me getting 100 views here, guys, fucking, that's awesome. Like, I'm really, really happy about it. It's good. It's good. So thank you. All right. And if you're new, subscribe. Subscribe. And smash the like. Smash that like. Mike's here since day one. Only 6 likes. This is what I'm saying. Congrats, bro. So happy for you. Thank you so much. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is that. So is that BSV Satoshi Vision. Now here's the thing. If you followed along, I've been shorting this shit. And up here, I literally, this is my short. Look, I sold it, but I'll close it. But this is my short. I think I took it live. Oh, I deleted it, but it was literally here. It was literally here. Literally up here, I shorted it. When the news came out that he's not... so Satoshi Vision, for anybody who doesn't know, Craig Wright, a guy named Craig Wright, he launched a coin called Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. And he's claiming that he's Satoshi Nakamoto, but nobody trusts this dude. And so there was like a whole court case and he lost. So the court said, no, you're not Satoshi Nakamoto. So this coin literally just went to like hell. It's 40% minus, but I think it's going to 0. Like there's literally no reason for this coin to exist. That's what I think. So I'm waiting for, again, market makers, investors, whatnot. Look at how much liquidity is building up. This is going to be a massive, massive, massive short in my opinion. Look at it. So this coin doesn't go anywhere. Like I'm gonna short this. I don't care if it's a bull market or not. I'm definitely gonna short this. It's gonna go a little bit higher. Once we reach the 50% level up here, this is gonna be my shorting level. I want to see, and when we nuke, it's just gonna go down. So that's what I'm eyeing. Now, guys, pop your coins in the chat, please. I want to look at them. We're live for 30 minutes. I'm gonna stay for another 10, 15. We can look at all the coins and yeah. Let's look at the trades. Let's find some trades together because... Let's find some trades together. What is BSV for token? What do you mean? Satoshi Vision. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. That's what it's called. We all miss Mason. First time we're loving it. Yes, 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 we can take. Yeah, if the market gives, again, as I said, I'm already in short, but you should not follow this trade, in my opinion. I can't take a long trade if I think we're gonna go down. You know what I mean? So we're looking to kind of trade. Boma is looking good. Let's look at Boma. Massive liquidity. I'm not touching Boma. Can be good. Can be the next Pepe. I don't care. It's just a random meme coin that got listed on exchange. He's the biggest rug ever. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be big. I know. I understand. It's great. It's not. I don't care. Ondo is the same thing. I think Ondo is gonna be big. It's an investment for me. I don't really want to trade Ondo. For me, it's difficult to like, and it's toppy, guys. It's toppy. Yeah, I like. Should we just take a long here or like what? Like what? Like what? You know, like. No, I'm not looking. It has to come down. It has to come down. This is what I'm thinking. I have a conviction that we're going lower. So for me, I'm eyeing at least on Ondo as well. I'm eyeing at least 0.74. At least. Somebody's saying flow. Let's look at flow. Oh, let's take this off. You get epilepsy from this. Hold on. Oh, look at this. I love it. I don't know when we draw this, but we probably drawn this together. 23. It's Saturday. We have probably drawn this somewhere last week. Look. This is the drawing. This is what I did. Yeah, it's here. 21st of March. Let's look it up. Where are we with the subscribers? We got 6 more subscribers in this live. Awesome. 20. What did I say? What was it? Flow was 21st of March. Hold on. 21st. Was this 21st? 4 days ago. What was it 4 days ago? 22nd. Okay, so this must be it. I should probably not spend time with this. This is when we took the near trade as well, as I see. The world coin trade as well. Kaspa, Boma, Sui, Beam. Yeah, we need to get timestamps. Flow, here's flow. So if you look at this, I like this. Liquidity grab, liquidity grab, liquidity grab, 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 and then dump. Then from there we have relatively cool highs coming back nicely. It is a nice 4 hour, 1 hour, and probably daily point of interest, which is very interesting. It is building up massive liquidity. I think this can be very interesting. I would wait for the 50% retrace, see a lower time frame reaction. Once you get that, you can get in here or wait for the retrace to 50 and then move in. Looks interesting. Overall, just guys, I'm serious. I'm like a magician. This is what I said. I said wait for the 50% retrace, and I haven't even checked this chart since. I haven't even checked this chart. I said wait for a 50% retracement, wait for a lower time frame reaction, and then it can moon. Since then, it's up 17%. Let's look at the lower time frame reaction. 15 or 5 minute. Here it is. It's literally here is a 15-minute market structure shift. Look at it. Close below. Market structure break. What was responsible? It can also be either of these. Market structure shift. What else did I say there? Who remembers? I said wait for what? A 50% retracement. This was your entry. Guys, it's that simple. Once you start learning, this is why I do this. This is literally why I do this. Because I give you the level. I don't want to give you fish. I want to teach you how to fish. And I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to put it up because this here, what just happened, represents everything why I do this. Everything. We sat here 4 days ago, 5 days ago. I outlined how the chart should go for me to take this trade. And the fact that I didn't take it, probably because I didn't realize the alert went off or because I didn't have time or whatever, but I didn't see this happen. But I outlined it like this. If you are here, if you want to make this in this bull, you can. You can do whatever the fuck you want. You just gotta put in the work. That's what's up. So it just, yeah, it's just literally, it's literally here. Okay, let's go. What else? So yeah, so flow looks good. What can I say? It would be up. It's a 1 to 8 risk reward trade, guys. 1 to 8 risk reward. Okay. Someone is saying Ator. I don't know. I never know how to pronounce that. Ator. Ator is not rested on Blowfin? What? We're not gonna look at Ator then. Gala. Guys, by the way, I use Blowfin. Check it out. Check Blowfin out. Give yourself a chance. Check Blowfin out. Yeah, no 50. Again, guys, everything needs to come down. Needs to come down. I can't deviate from my shorting is not smart. I agree. Shorting is not smart. But why am I? Have I always been like this in the screen? Okay, whatever. Shorting is not smart. I agree. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Even if you know what you're doing, you shouldn't do it. But it has to come down. So I'll be looking at longs down here, 66 on Gala. TokenFi, very, very nice. They were sponsors of mine. Floki, TokenFi. I told you in the show, on the Banter show. It's fucking TokenFi is gonna fly. I like how you're conservative and honest. That's what I have, man. Honesty, that's what I have. Lurping, yeah. That's the coin the guys use to make a shit ton of money. Yeah, that's what I missed. So many chat guys, so crazy. Do I take mentees? No, unfortunately, no. But we could launch something. We could. I gotta talk to Ren. We could launch something. There's so many things in the pipeline, guys. Just yeah. There's classes, yeah, exactly. You know, it's like I gotta tell you a story. So there is a guy. So everybody who's coming here, I've been, guys, 2 years ago. I've been trading since 2018, but 2 years ago I had no idea what the fuck I'm talking about. This everything you see, 2 years, not daily 8 hours, but you can do this. You can do this. How did you learn? So I had a lot of foundations and I had a great mentor. I will actually pull him up as well. He was my mentor. He taught me a lot of stuff, and he actually does take mentees. He actually does take people. Get a big bag on spot. Very frustrating. PA. Okay. Okay. His name is Rain. He taught me a lot of things. He's a very good guy. First of all, you should follow him. I'm very grateful for him for teaching me. Basically, I use my own style now, but he gave me, so I had the foundations. He gave me the professional trading foundation. So I used RSI and I used all these indicators, and this didn't work, and worked and not worked, and made money and not made money. So I got to a level where I was making money, but I wasn't making money, and it was like a back and forth. And then I met this guy and we started working together, and he taught me the foundations to what I know today. So he's Rain 457. He's a legend. So you should go and follow him. And also, if you want, he is doing mentoring. So you can DM him. He is doing mentoring, and he will teach you the foundations as well. So, yeah. Yeah. Thank you for the sweet trade. You're very welcome. Eyes don't lie. That's top. Yes, something like ICT. Yes. But ICT is very technical, very difficult. But the basic, the foundation is, yeah, smart money. Yes. I was in the whole sniper school trying to Sheldon, but I don't think that his style is for me. You know, here's the thing. Like, you gotta find your own style. You gotta try out everything that you can. Yeah. Go check him out. Give him a follow. Let's look at some coins. What else did people ask? Somebody's saying, what about Doge? Let's look at Doge. There is no way this doesn't puke. There is just no way this doesn't puke. The fact that it builds up liquidity, sorry guys, it's just, you know, I'm also like, I'm in with my own money here as well. I'm at $400, 16%. On a 30x, that's not much to be honest, but the thing is, you know, here's what I'm considering in these scenarios. Number one, it has to start coming down. It has to start coming lower. Where does it come? If I pull this, the first target I'm looking at is 69,200. That would be a 50% on this leg. But again, maybe we get this. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe we get this. Maybe. Or this is the most likely scenario, in my opinion. This, when we see a little bit of push, take liquidity, touch into 71, 864, let's say 869, and then nuke. We shall see. We shall see. Nitro buddies, please make a course. You gotta talk to Ran. We gotta hold tight. It's a fucking rocket ship that we are sitting on now. I'm sitting on a rocket ship, literally. Yeah, hold on. I promise you, big things are coming in the next years. It's gotta be, you have no idea. No idea. Gotta be crazy. Yes, I lost it. Did I? Yeah, I took it off. Just followed Rain. Yeah, go follow him. And this is I'm learning now and go to sleep. Okay, let's look at what everyone has. Paul's saying Rune. Let's look at Rune. Beautiful retrace. 50 and on to the next leg. So I mark 50, that is 50. So I mark this is 50 as well. So if we look at Rune, it should come down probably, yeah, it's very nice area. So probably about a 10% dump, around 9-ish region would be interesting for me. That would be great. So it's saying let's check 𝗕𝗘𝗢. Same thing as with flow. Look at this. So I marked this level, comes back 50, bouncing, but you could have bought 2 times here and here. Technically could go up. The problem is that it couldn't break the high here. So I still see a little bit of down here. I still see liquidity taking, potentially coming down to this level. This would be, yeah, easy. Sorry, it's the 15-minute chart. Easy. Oh yeah, no, sorry. This was the 50 that I marked. Sorry. So it's up like 7-8%. Yeah, easy. Coming down to about 9. I think 13.7 will hold. 13.7 will hold on CAS. I think this will hold. Yeah, hopefully Bitcoin does. But I think this definitely holds, in my opinion. Maybe a week through, but this holds 13.5. I think this holds. You're sitting on a 55-gallon drum of nitro. Yes. Found him a few months ago. Another good guy. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. I don't know who he is, but let's look him up. I see I gave 20 followers to Brain. That's good. I'm following this dude. Perpetual student. Oh, the clinic founder. Yes, of course I know him. I know him. I don't know if he's good, but I heard only good things about him. Yes. That's probably why I follow him. Is Roost real? I don't know what that means. 𝗟𝗘𝗘. Let's look at 𝗟𝗘𝗘. Same thing. Building liquidity. Oh, but it's also building liquidity on top, yeah. Wow. This is gonna be wild. When this breaks out, this is gonna be, I think that's gonna be the BRC20 season. When this breaks out from here, wow, that's gonna be, woo. It's gonna be a good one. And I think we have one more down. I think we have one more down. This is what I'm looking at. I think we have one more down in 𝗟𝗘𝗘. And that down and dem pump. That would be, wow, that would be fantastic. Yes. I think it's gonna be interesting. Can happen. Roost launched it. I'm not involved with base, guys. I know I'm missing out, but I don't know. Do I think market dip? 100%. 100%. All the RSI shit like that won't work. That's just what I think. It might work for a period of the bull market because retail is driving, but it's all institutions, guys. It's smart money. You gotta start focusing on smart money. You gotta start focusing on smart money because that's what you're playing against now. That's what you're playing against now. This is why I'm playing this. Everybody's bullish, and I know that smart money is not bullish. I mean, I think. And then we will see. But yeah. Roost is a new meme coin for base. Pre-sale finish, waiting for release. Going to get dumped on influencers. Oh, okay. Don't get involved then. Roost meme out is fake. The ones getting released today is real. It's gonna be a mess with a 500 million fake project. Yeah. I'm going to be a fucking millionaire. Yeah, let's go! Alright, guys. I think we are going to round this up. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna round this up. We're gonna see Bitcoin taking a piss here. I genuinely hope we don't go below 69. We don't really go below 69. I mean, we will go below 69, but we're not really below. If we go below 66, we're fucked. Then it's 56. Then if we go to this, then we go retrace 50. We sell. It will be worth following the channel. Guys, I know you are already subscribed, but if you haven't, then please do that. I appreciate all of you being here. You know, yeah, it just means the world. It really does mean the world. Someone's saying all memes are shitcoins. Yes, might be, but I like to make money with memes. So making money is fun. I hope you enjoyed this live, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.